children. So yesterday already I started the progressions. The introduction part I gave you, the sequence. Sequence or progression. Sequence or progression means the sequence means the systematic arrangement. The systematic arrangement of the numbers in a particular order is called a sequence or progression. Sequence or progression. Yesterday I told you this is a 2, 4, 6, 8 like this. These are the terms in a sequence. This is sequence 2, 4, 6, 8, after 8, 10, 12 like this. So how can you say that it is a sequence? How can you say that it is a progression? Because the difference between 4 minus 2, 2, 6 minus 4, 2, 8 minus 6, 2. So the difference is the same. So what is the difference here? The difference between terms is here 2 here. So keep on add 2, we will get the succeeding terms. 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 2, 14 like that we will get it. This is a systematic arrangement. It is sequence or progression. One more 3, 6, 12, 24. After that 3. 3 multiplied by 2. We got 6. 6 to the 12. 12 to the 24. 24 to the 48. 48 to the 96. So on. This is also sequence or progression. So I hope you clearly understand about the sequence or progression. Now types of progressions. Types of progressions. Types of progressions. Types of progression, children. Types of progression. First one, arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression. What is arithmetic progression? AP. Shortly it can be written as AP. Arithmetic progression. So the things, the objects, the numbers contained in a statement or sentence or sequence or progression are called terms. What do you call? Terms. A1 first term, A2 second term, A1 is first term, A2 is second term, A3 is third term, A4 is fourth term, AN is nth term. This is first term of AP is A1 or A. First term represented or denoted by A or A1. First term, second term A2, third term A3, A4, A5, A6, up to AN, nth term. So, what is arithmetic progression? Arithmetic progression means in every sequence or progression there are some terms, preceding term and succeeding term. For example, sequence is there A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. So, A1 succeeding term is A2, A2 succeeding term is A3. A3 succeeding one is A4, A4 succeeding is A5, A5 succeeding is A6, A6 preceding is A5, A5 preceding is A4, A4 preceding is A3, A3 preceding is A2, A2 preceding is A1. Preceding means before, succeeding means after. Preceding term means before the term means preceding, after the term means succeeding. Now I hope you clearly understood. Now what is arithmetic progression? Arithmetic progression means the progression in which the succeeding terms can be obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding terms. When you add fixed number to the preceding term, we can obtain the succeeding terms. Obtaining the succeeding terms, adding a fixed number to the preceding terms is called a arithmetic progression. What do you call? Arithmetic progression. What is arithmetic progression? The succeeding terms, the sequence of terms or the progression of the terms can be obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding terms is called arithmetic progression. In arithmetic progression, we observe that the difference between consecutive terms is the same. The difference between consecutive terms is the same. What is the fixed number? When you add the fixed number, we obtain the succeeding one. That fixed number is called common difference. The fixed number is called common difference. Whatever fixed number you consider any first term. I take first term 4. Take fixed number 3. Fixed number. Take 3. Fixed number added. What is the preceding term? 4. First term you can consider except the first term. You take anything as first term. 4 I take as first term. Fixed number 3. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. 13 plus 3, 16. 16 plus 3, 19. 19 plus 3, 22. This is called AP. This is arithmetic progression. How can you identify whether it is AP or not? The difference is the same. 7 minus 4, 3. 10 minus 7, 3. 13 minus 3, 3. 16 minus 13, 3. 19 minus 16, 3. 22 minus 19, 3. Like this. The fixed number is same. The common difference. The fixed number is called common difference. What do you call? Common difference. Common difference. Common difference. The fixed number is called common difference. Common difference denoted by D. The first term denoted by A. The first term of the sequence, the first term of the progression is denoted by A. What is A? A is equal to 4. The first term A is equal to 4. D. D, how you get? Second minus first, third minus second, fourth minus third, fifth minus fourth. So from succeeding, subtract preceding one. You will get the common difference. How you obtain the common difference? Common difference can be obtained subtracting preceding from the succeeding one. Succeeding of 4 succeeding what? 7. 7 minus 4, 3. 7 succeeding is 10. 10 minus 7, 3. 30 minus 10. This is called common difference. What is common difference? The difference between two constituent terms of progression is called common difference. If the common difference is same, such a sequence is said to be in AP. If the difference between constitutive terms is the same, such a sequence is said to be in AP. This is called arithmetic progression. In arithmetic progression, the first term is represented by A, second, and common difference is represented by D. How you increase the terms of the AP? By adding the fixed number. By adding the fixed number. Fixed number means what? Common difference. Now I hope you clearly understand. What is AP? The progression of the sequence in which the common difference is same is called arithmetic progression. Okay. Which of the following are in arithmetic AP? Which of the following are with I view? How can you identify the AP? The common difference should be the same. How you get the common difference? The difference between two terms should be same. Then it is in AP. Which of the following are in AP? Which of the following are in AP? 3, 5, 7, 9, 7, 3, minus 1, 8, 9, 13, 17. This is first one AP. Difference should be same. 5 minus 3, 2. 7 minus 1, 2. 9 minus 7, 2. Every time getting the same. Yes, it is in AP. Yes, it is in AP. Second one. 3 minus 7, minus 4. Minus 1, 3 minus 7, minus 4. Minus 1, minus 3, minus 4. Minus 5, minus of minus 1. Minus 5, minus of minus 1, minus 4. Every time you are getting same. So it is yes. Common difference getting the same. Yes, it is in AP. 9 minus 8, 1. 13 minus 9, 4. 17 minus 13, 4. 19 minus 17, 2. Difference you are getting, not same thing. Every time you are not getting same number. It is not in AP. It is not in AP. How can you say that given sequence or given progression is in AP means the difference between constitutive terms should be the same. 5 minus 3, 2. 7 minus 5, 2. 9 minus 7, 2. 3 minus 7 minus 4, minus 1, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus of minus 1, minus 4. If the difference is same, it is in AP. Like this you can identify. I hope you clearly understood. Okay. How can you identify the progressions are in AP or not? The difference should be the same. The common difference should be the same. Then such a sequence is said to be in AP. I hope you clearly understand, children. So, if you want, when you identify the common difference same, you can write the next terms. How you get the next terms? After 9, what you will get? After 9, what you will get? What is the difference here? 5 minus 3 is 7 minus 5, 2. Keep on add 2, you will get the next terms. 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 2, 13, 13 plus 2, 15. Like this, if you know the common difference, you can write the next terms. Next terms, whatever terms, how many terms? Whichever terms you want, we can write if you know the common difference. Okay. What is arithmetic progression? The arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term except the first term. Except the first term. Okay. Let us write the general form. General form. What is the first term? What is the first term of AP? A. Common difference is B. General form. Let us write the general form. General form of A. What is the let first term? B A common difference. Common difference means you know that fixed number. Fixed number is B. Write the what is the first term? A. How will you get the second term? By adding common difference. Common difference how much? D. Common difference add to the first term. First term is A. First term is A. To the first term add common difference, you will get the second term. First term A. Second term is A plus B. Third term, how you get third term? For second term add D. A plus B plus B. A plus 2D. First term A. Second term is A plus B. What is the first term of AP? A. Second term is A plus B. Second term how you get? To the first term add common difference. A plus B. Second term. Third term A plus D plus B. A plus 2D. Fourth term A plus 2D plus D. A plus 3D. Fifth term A plus 4D. Okay. This is the general form. A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D, A plus 5D. A plus 6D, A plus 7D, first term A, second term A plus D, third term A plus 2D, fourth term reduce 1 will get. What is the first term of AP? A. Second term of AP? A plus D, third term A plus 2D, fourth term A plus 3D, fourth term A plus 4D, fifth term A plus 5D, sixth term A plus 5D, seventh term A plus 6D, eighth term A plus 7D, ninth term A plus 8D, so on. You can write. Yes. Now you can write nth term also. Every time reducing 1. 10th term means A plus 9D. 9th term means A plus 8D. 10th term A plus 9D. 11th term A plus 10D. So this is the general form. What is the general form of AP? A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3. General form. First term A. Second term. How do you get the second term? First term is A1 is equal to A. Okay. So I show you now. General form is over. Now nth term. Nth term of AP. Nth term means 5th, 6th, 7th. Nth term means last term. Nth term of AP. Nth term. Nth term of A. First term. First term is equal to A. Second term. Second term how you get? Second term how you get? Add D. A plus D. Third term. A plus D plus D. A plus 2D. Fourth term. A plus 2D plus D, A plus 3D. What is the fourth term? A plus 3D. Fifth term. So the fourth term add D. Fourth term is A plus 3D. A plus 3D plus D, A plus 4D. Fifth term is A plus 4D. Sixth term. For fifth term add D. A plus 4D plus D, A plus 5D. What is the sixth term? A plus D. Seventh term. A7 is equal to A plus 6D. A8 is equal to A plus 7D. A9 is equal to A plus 8D. Every time reducing 1. Ninth term is A plus 8D. 10th term a plus 9d, 11th term a plus 10d. From total number of terms you reduce 1, you will get that term. 11th term is 11th term 11 minus 1 10, a plus 10d. 12th term a plus 11d, so on. Nth term is, what is nth term? From total number of terms subtract 1. Nth term is a plus n minus 1 into d. First term a, second term a2 is a plus b, 2 minus 1 1d. Third term 3 minus 1 2, a plus 2d. Fourth term a plus 3d. Fifth term 5 minus 1 4, a plus 4d. Sixth term a plus 5d. Seventh term a plus 6d. 100th term a plus 99d. 10th term a plus 9d. 15th term a plus 14d. 11th term is a plus 10d. Okay, 1000th term a plus 999d. 12th term a plus 11d. Nth term is what? A plus n minus 1 into d. Like this you can derive the nth term of AP. Therefore, nth term represented by a n. Nth term of AP is formula a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the nth term of AP. Nth term of AP. I hope we clearly understood, children. What is the nth term of AP? A plus n minus 1 into d. I will give the problem. Find the nth term of AP. Find the nth term of AP. 3, 7, 11, so on. This is AP. A is equal to what? Here first term is 3. D find out. D is equal to A2 minus A1. Common difference sum is equal A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2 or A4 minus A3 or A5 minus A4. The difference between any two terms is the common difference. D is equal to A2 minus A1. A2 is 7, A1 is 3. How much got? 4. Now find out nth term. Nth term formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. A how much? 3. N minus 1. D is 4. 3. 4 into n, 4n minus 4 minus 4. That equal to 4n. 3 minus 4 minus 1. What is the nth term? 4n minus 1. Find the nth term of AP. 3, 7, 11, so on AP. Nth term formula is a plus n minus 1. How much got nth term? 4n minus 1. Find the 10th term. Find the 10th term. Hence, find the 10th term. What is nth term we got here? Nth term is how much got? 4n minus 1. Find the 10th term. Put n is equal to 10 here. 4 into 10 minus 1. 4 10 to 40 minus 1. 39. We got it 10 term. If you want 20th term, put n is equal to 20 here. Okay. Did you understand? Now one more problem I will explain, children. So find out 12th term of AP. Find the 12th term of AP. 9, 11, like this. This is AP. What is A? A is equal to 9. D find out. D is equal to formula A2 minus A1, 11 minus 9. What I asked here, 12th term. 12th term means you should know the nth term. First to find out nth term. Nth term formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. A is 9 plus n minus 1 into d is 2. 9, 2 into n, 2n minus 2 under 2. 2n. Nth term is a plus n minus 1 into d. A is how much? A is 9 plus n minus 1. D value is 2. 9 plus 2 into n, 2n minus 2 under 2. 2n, 9 minus 2, 7. This is nth term. Nth term how much was? 2n plus 1. What did they ask here? Find the 12th term. Put n is equal to 12. Put n is equal to 12. A 12, 2 into 12 plus 7. 2 12 is 24 plus 7. This is the 12th term. I hope you clearly understood clearly. Okay. So today what we have learned? What is AP? What is the nth term of AP? General form of AP is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D. Nth term is how we derive? Nth term is what? A plus n minus 1 into D. That whichever term they ask, first we have to calculate the nth term. Then required term, 12th term, 13th term, 14th term, 10th term, 15th term, put n is equal. If you want 13th term, put n is equal 13. If you want 10th term, put n is equal 10. Like that, you can find the required terms. I hope you understood, children. Okay, we will continue in the next section. Thank you.